Struggling with scheduling chaos and messy time cards? You're not alone. This is our honest review of WhenIWork, a software that promises to be the ultimate solution for employee scheduling and time tracking. We've looked over their website and are ready to give you a detailed demo and our unbiased thoughts on its strengths and weaknesses. WhenIWork's website states its purpose is to make managing hourly teams easier. The key offerings are straightforward: scheduling, time tracking, and communication. The scheduling tool is built for speed, allowing managers to create and share schedules, while employees can view them, swap shifts, and request time off through the app. For tracking hours, it provides digital timesheets with mobile clock-in out and a kiosk mode. The integrated team chat aims to keep everyone connected. The clear positive is the platform's focus on accessibility and mobile-first design, giving everyone information in their pocket. A possible negative, inferred from the site's marketing, is that its full power likely comes at a cost, and the advanced features might have a learning curve for less tech-savvy teams. WhenIWork offers two main pricing tiers based on your business needs. The single location or schedule plan is priced at $2 per month and includes core features like employee scheduling, time tracking, and team messaging, designed to effectively manage a single team or location with tools like auto-scheduling and payroll integrations. For businesses with more complex operations, the multiple locations and schedules plan costs $5 per user per month and includes everything from the single plan, plus powerful tools for managing unlimited locations and schedules, custom reporting, advanced role permissions, and the ability to toggle between time zones. See you later, guys.